Good morning, Auto Mafia Racing fans. We are doing a little checkup. This isn't an old video or some old footage. This is actually pretty recent.
It's 2024.
It is 2024, at the end of 2024. We are winterizing all of our vehicles, getting them ready for the cold. It's already 20 degrees out right now, 25.
You guys don't even know where we are right now. So we're actually in my sprint car stacker trailer and working on, what should we call it this one?
Well, we don't have a name for it yet.
I mean, it's number 25.
The rocket chassis.
It's, yeah, rocket chassis, rocket 25, we'll just call it. We'll just call it the rocket. So, working on the red rocket here. It's the red rocket.
Oh, God.
It's the red rocket. Working on the red rocket here, we just got to make sure, we're trying to winterize all the race cars. So, we got to make sure that this thing actually has coolant in it, because I don't know, and it's like 20 degrees out. So, we don't want it to freeze. We haven't had a hard freeze yet. So we should still be okay. That's why you can hear Cody's car idling in the background.
Yes. So, update on my car. It's every time I've driven the new car, something's been broken on it. But we will save that for the content that's upcoming. We have to edit everything. She's idling. She's running good. I believe one of the issues was a fuel pump ground, and that's why I was having some cutting issues. So. Yeah, that's not true. That's true. I mean, it wouldn't start until I touched the ground, so it's probably the ground. No problem. She's idling, getting it warm, get some coolant to go through it. We tested it. It's gonna freeze if it gets anything under negative or positive 10. So, I'm gonna add some coolant to that, or some antifreeze. Used to afford it. Same coolant. Check antifreeze on this car. We'll check on the Legends. We will check on the other 25 car, the black 25 car. And show you guys the progress with that. She's in pieces right now, and we will.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You can come look at this thing.
Yeah.
I can look at that, but I guarantee. Yeah, she was dead battery. That was the issue.
Yeah.
So, are you recording? Yep. So sprint cars, guys, don't have starters. They get push started basically in gear, turns them enough that then you flick the ignition switch and they fire up. So they also don't have batteries. This is our battery. We're literally using a Milwaukee 18 volt. But yeah, so this one's a 602 freeze and built motor. Ran pretty good. I just ran out of juice at the last race, which we didn't film. So, but yeah, basically my battery died. But other than that, I mean, I was doing good holding line. So it's a lot of fun. It's also quite terrifying. So. We will figure out more next year. We're going to do a lot more filming for this 2025 season. Cody and I are we're just bound, determined to actually do a good job this time. But it might be this actually, we might have to go drive this car. So there you guys go. This is the old red rocket. Whew. It's still hard to push. Still hard to push, huh, Cody?
Yeah.
Yeah, red rocket's in here. Get her warmed up, because she was starting to get cold. So we'll get it warmed up, and we'll drain the fluid, put some good coolant in her. And then we'll probably push her and fire her up, run it through, and then put her back in the trailer once we know she's good and mixed. But yeah, they're pretty sweet looking. Let's go check on Cody's.
Mechanical water pump right here.
Yeah. Technically we could take off.
I'm gonna say, yeah, I don't think it has a
thermostat? No, so technically we could just take it off and run it with a drill, yeah.
Yeah. That way we don't have to push the thing to fire it up.
Yeah, true. Is it cycling any water yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cycling water.
Yeah.
It's warm. Yep.
So maybe we'll just add some to it?
I think so.
Yeah, just add some and let it mix. Well, guys, we got this one running.
So Daytona's car was probably full of 100% concentrate, so it's definitely good at least. And this car was like basically
it was
zero.
Negative, no, it was negative 10.
Okay, negative 10. So we had a little more concentrate. We're gonna let it run through, and these two cars should be good.
But why are we putting more when it already said negative 10, Cody?
Because Montana gets the negative 20
plus.
Yeah.
Yeah, minus. So basically, last year we saw sustained, and this is the problem. We saw sustained 25. I believe when I left for Florida for like a week, it was 28 below zero before the wind chill. With wind chill, it was closer to negative 60. So it's really, really cold. So in cold climates, for those of you guys in warm climates, your engine, your radiator can freeze and pop. Your hoses, your engine block is why they have these things called freeze plugs. I don't actually know how newer 4-cylinders, what they have with that. Haven't even thought about it. So we're just making sure everything is good for like 25, 30 below, and it'll be good. We might still drain them and put some thinner stuff basically in when it comes time to race on the track. But for now, this is what we got to run in them so that they don't freeze on us. So this is just one of those things, guys, where you kind of want to check all your cars, anything you've worked on. If you don't remember if you tested it or not with how busy we've been, I don't remember if we tested like anything. So we're going to test some more stuff. Like the world's cheapest Ford Focus RS. Like a Cobalt we traded for. Maybe another Cobalt, maybe one of those. Best just to check everything.
You see like all the different colors, like they use the red cars, 10 mil body screws. And
then you got the gray interior. The gray engine, I almost said the gray engine bay.
Just because it's an EcoBoost does not make it gay. Yeah. Oh.
Let's see.
Oh.
Huh.
Do the same thing I did with the other one.
Oh, put more in it. Cody's struggling here.
There we go.
Got her full now. So this is actually how you do this, guys. You look at it, and you see how that's all the way up the top. That's what we want. Some of the other cars were down at the bottom end of that. Not good. It means basically water. It means it'll freeze. So this one was in Montana. We got this one in Bozeman, so it should have been. I figured it was good, but we needed to check. You never know. But we can't check the SS Cobalt here, the Supercharged Cobalt, because we'll show you guys. Look at this bull crap. So I guess we need one of those thin ones because I don't think I can get the hose to fit through there. The hose is a little big. I mean, we can maybe get the little one, but it does look orange. It was in Iowa. It's probably fine.
Yeah, we're probably good.
Yeah, you think? Call good?
Yeah, I think it's good.
All right, let's go put more in your car.
Yep.
All right, let's see how much Cody can spill here.
It's a little lower now, so it'll be a little easier.
We were just discussing a secret project. So, do you guys think, or know, put in the comments, a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder Chevy product.
GM. I can't think of one. Maybe there was something overseas. I mean, they bought
It's a car. We know there's the Typhoon, but that was a V6.
Yeah.
And the Cyclones.
I mean...
Do you fill it all the way up?
You can talk about... They did come with Ecotech S10s, I think.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Or was it a pushrod 2.2 in the S10? Whoa.
Go wiggle your wire.
Yeah, I got it.
Yep. You gotta hold it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Maybe.
Go ahead.
There, and I hear it.
Yeah, it's on. There it is. You look better than that sounds?
Yeah. Way better. There we go. So we're just gonna let this run, guys, but that's gonna be it. Just a little check-in, working with the cars. I mean, little teaser. There's Cody's last car. Yeah. So that's gonna be it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We'll check you next time.